Be wary, very wary of prophets. My friends, if something seems too good to be true, it just sounds too unbelievable, you are being sold a lie. I can guarantee it, period. End of story. Think about it. If somebody had a perfect, fail-proof system that you could just employ like a monkey, do you think they'd really tell you? Well, of course they wouldn't. They'd make $1 trillion. They'd crash the market. They'd take all the money and run. Nothing is possible in that realm. So don't believe it. Further, the system itself, think about it. It is self-correcting, it's constantly changing, and it's updating as billions of inputs and outputs flow into and out of the market day in and day out. It's not possible to have a system that works all the time unless you cheat. And if you do cheat, you're going to get caught and you're going to go to jail. If your dream is to trick the market, to con your fellow players and steal from them, well, you're on the road to ruin. I guarantee you will reap what you sow. So stop now. It's much easier and, in the long run, so much more intelligent to simply practice with us every day, 10 to 15 minutes. Learn day in and day out how to follow these markets. Practice trade again and again and again. Realize that not every trade will work. Not all of your practice trades will work, but as you get better, more and more of them will work, and your virtual profits will skyrocket, and you will get better and better and better at doing this. It takes practice. This is a dynamic market. Things change all the time. That's why you got to be in it 10 to 15 minutes a day. Practice trading, studying, taking all the training, reading all the books you can read, paying attention to what's going on. Remember, we trend follow. And our biggest trend is the weekly trend. And when that weekly trend kicks in, you can look at the charts, my friends, look back and see over and over and over again where you see a weekly vertical crossover occur where the price percent oscillator crosses over the red signal line. Typically, those moves go for weeks. It is a long-term trend. And all we're trying to do is jump into it, take a chunk out of the middle in virtual profits, score, consider ourselves approved because we practice traded and we won, and we go on to the next one. 10 to 15 minutes a day, every day. You have to commit yourself to that. You can't simply say, well, I'll just do an hour and a half a week. No, it's 10 to 15 minutes a day. Every day the market is open, week in, week out. How long will it take? Be like Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison said he would have spent all the time in the world it took. It took him 2,000 and something tries to invent the filament necessary for the electric light bulb. They asked him at the end when he finally came up with the one that worked, Mr. Edison, if that one hadn't worked, where would you be? Edison said, I'd still be in the lab. He was totally committed to success. That's what you have to be. And again, what does it cost you? 10 to 15 minutes a day. Every day, practice, trade, listen, study. You can do this if you set your mind to it. Stick with us. I'm Tom Goolsby for chartingwealth.com. God bless you.